Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could be a game changer for anyone who spends time on the road, the GOOLOO GT6000 Jumpstarter and Battery Booster. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the GOOLOO GT6000? It's a powerful jumpstarter designed to give you peace of mind during those unexpected vehicle breakdowns. This compact device packs an impressive 6,000 mAh peak power, allowing it to start vehicles with gas engines and up to 12.0L diesel engines in just seconds. Gone are the days of bulky jumper cables and the hassle of finding someone to give you a boost. The GOOLOO GT6000 is lightweight and portable, making it a must-have for your emergency roadside kit. One of the standout features of the GOOLOO GT6000 is its unmatched 100W fast charging technology. This jumpstarter can go from 0% to 100% in just 1.4 hours, and with only 7 minutes of charging, it can get your vehicle running again. That means if you're in a hurry or facing an unexpected situation, you won't be left stranded for long. Plus, it includes a 100W car charger, ensuring that you can power it up quickly while you're on the go. But that's not all. This device is not just for jumpstarting your car. The GOOLOO GT6000 doubles as a powerful portable power bank with a capacity of 27,000 mAh. It features multiple USB ports for charging devices, including laptops, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you need to charge your smartphone, tablet, or even your laptop, this jumpstarter has you covered. It can charge at speeds comparable to your original laptop adapter thanks to its Type-C port. Safety is paramount when it comes to jumpstarters, and the GOOLOO GT6000 excels in this area. The 3.2-inch LED display provides clear information on the device's status, so you know when it's ready to use. With built-in protection technology, you can feel at ease knowing it has safeguards against common mishaps, enhancing safety for both you and your vehicle. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a frequent traveler, a road trip enthusiast, or simply someone who spends time behind the wheel, the GOOLOO GT6000 is indispensable. It's also ideal for families, outdoor adventurers, and anyone with a boat or RV. Its compact design makes it easy to stash in your glove compartment or backpack, and its long standby time of up to 24 months means you won't have to recharge it constantly. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're at a campsite and your car battery dies. With the GOOLOO GT6000, you can quickly jumpstart your vehicle and get back on the road. Or maybe you're on a long trip and need to charge your laptop for work. This jumpstarter can handle that as well, allowing you to work remotely without worry. And if you need to power a tire inflator or other 12V devices, the GOOLOO GT6000 has a dedicated port for that too. In the box, you'll find everything you need: the GOOLOO GT6000 portable jumpstarter, heavy-duty jumper cables, a 100W car charger, USB to Type-C and Type-C to Type-C cables, a cigarette lighter adapter, a storage bag, and a user manual. In conclusion, the GOOLOO GT6000 jumpstarter is a powerful, versatile, and safe solution for anyone who wants to be prepared on the road. Its combination of features makes it a standout choice for jumpstarting vehicles and powering essential devices. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.